Hi, in today's video, I'm going to differentiate the difference between MT4 4 and MT4 5. So, what's the difference and which one is better? Well, before I begin, first of all, the most conception people believe is that MT4 5 is actually the updated version of MT4 4. Well, that's not the case. Okay, MT4 4 is a platform on its own, and MT4 5 is a platform on its own. Okay, MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to explain why is it so. First of all, what is MetaTrader 4 and who is supposed to use MetaTrader 4, and what is MetaTrader 5 and who is supposed to use MetaTrader 5. Well, so when it comes to MetaTrader 4, it's mainly for forex traders. Okay, it was primarily created for forex trading, but when it comes to MetaTrader 5, it was for both forex trading and those who like to trade futures or CFDs. So that's what differentiates MetaTrader 4 from 5, because it can allow you to trade CFDs and futures, of which you cannot trade on MetaTrader 4. So the other difference when it comes to MetaTrader 4 and 5 is that when it comes to MetaTrader 4, like in time frames of the chart, you can choose up to 21 for MetaTrader 5, but when it comes to MetaTrader 4, you can only choose time frames of up to 9. So with MetaTrader 5, it means that you can do analysis in about 21 time frames, as compared to MetaTrader 4, where you can actually do your analysis in only about 9 time frames. So when it comes, also the other difference is the type of order types. So when it comes to MetaTrader 4, it has about 4 types of orders. Okay, so the first one is actually the buy stop. The second one is actually the buy limit. The third one is the sell stop, and the last one is actually the sell limit. Okay, but when it comes to MetaTrader 5, it has got some additional types of orders, which is the stop limit and the sell stop limit orders. Oh, that is the buy stop limit and the sell stop limit. Okay, so these are some of the differences between MetaTrader 4 and 5. So what are some others? So the other one is the programming language. So I myself am a programmer, and I've actually created some um, indicators and some export advisors, so you can check them out. The link is in the description. So when it comes to the programming language, on MetaTrader 4 you use MetaQuotes language 4. On MetaTrader 5 you use MetaQuotes language 5 to program or to get your own indicators. Okay, and one thing you should know is that MetaTrader 4 indicators cannot work on MetaTrader 5 indicators, and vice versa. Okay, so that's another difference. Okay, so these are some of the differences I had, or which I know about MetaTrader 4 and 5. So if you know some of the differences, feel free to let me know in the comments. So here is the question: which one is better between MetaTrader 4 and 5? Okay, but as for me, I use MetaTrader 5 because the forex broker I'm trading with does not provide, or you cannot use MetaTrader 4, you can only use MetaTrader 5. So that's the reason why I use MetaTrader 5. But if you use MetaTrader 4 or both, let me know some of the reasons and which one do you think is better, or if they're just okay, they're just the same. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe. Bye for now.